guys, your Gian here, and for this particular session, we're going to discuss about the power and three-phase circuits. Okay. So power and three-phase circuits. So in three-phase power measurement, we consider two things. So what kind of technique we're going to utilize, or what will be, or the topology of the load. Okay. So we have two ways in measuring power in three-phase circuit. So we have the first one, the 2 watt-meter method. And the other one, we have the 3 watt-meter method. So what is the difference between the two? Okay. So for the 2 watt-meter method, okay, so suppose we have here a load. So know the difference between the two. So we have here a load connected such as this. Okay, so I think it's better if I just use the source. Sorry for that. So I'm talking about the load for one piece. This area that so let me erase this. So the part na kinapagpula, mapipudel lang siya natanggal. Okay. So suppose we have here a delta connected load. So what's that? So we have here a delta connected load, and we need to measure the power in this phase. So we can measure the power using the wattmeter by, so suppose it is interconnected like this. So that will be connected here, and connected here. Okay. So we're going to connect it like this. Okay. So the first power meter will be here. So connected here. And the second power meter will be connected here. So this will be the 2 watt-meter method. And sometimes it's not delta connected, but rather it's Y connected. So if it's Y connected, it's connected like this. So just visualize. So we have here neutral 1, and it's connected here. Okay. So as you can see, this is Y connected load, and this is a delta connected load. And we know the transformation of the delta to Y and Y to delta transformation. But sometimes it's better if we leave it in the topology such that it's better leave as in delta, and sometimes it's better if we leave the topology in Y. Okay. So what if now if the connection is in Y? So the load is now in Y. Okay. So it's connected like this. So we have one load impedance here. We have here a neutral one. Okay. So we have here another load impedance. We have here another load impedance. So naging ganito yung tsura niya. Okay. So this is node A, this is node B, this is node C. So this is a neutral point, okay, or the common between the three. So for this case, we're going to use the 3 watt-meter method. So for short, to give a brief lecture for this one, we use 2 watt-meter usually for a delta connected load, and a 3 watt-meter is used for a Y connected load. Okay. And the power meters are connected in a manner such as this. So we have here a neutral point. Okay. This is line A. we have here a line 2B, and we have there a line going to C. Now we're going to put the power meter. So the first power meter would be put here, in between the node of A and the neutral line. And then power meter 2 here. And then power meter 3 will be the one connecting C and the neutral one. So ganito natin siya pinagkoconnect. Kung napapansin nyo, lahat sila ay connected dun sa may neutral. Neutral or normal in other books. Okay? So, paano natin ngayon kukumpletuhin or ika-calculate yung total power pag tinanong yung total power sa isang problem? So, remember, ang total power is simply yung total wattmeter ng dalawa. Okay. So, for this one, PT would then be equal to P1 plus P2. And then for this one, PT would then be equal to P1 plus P2 plus PT. Remember, sa power, meron tayong tatlong pino-consider. Okay? So if you can still recall the power channel, in the group chat, okay, so I'm going to send you a figure so that you can memorize this, you can further understand and you can understand and then remember always the power channel, okay? So suppose this is our channel. So we have here the real power as P. We have here the complex power Q. And we have the apparent power S. Or the reactive power. So that when considered, we also need to find our Q. The reactive power Q is equal to the square root of 3 and the difference of these two. So do you have any problems or questions towards that one? So for next problems or for next video, we're going to talk about some sample problems involving these circuits. So if you have any clarifications, don't hesitate to send me